See, what are all the types of non-experimental design? That is a descriptive research design, correlational or ex post facto design, developmental research design, and epidemiological design, and survey design. Okay, so these are all the non-experimental types. Okay, so descriptive research design. Okay, descriptive research design is observes, describes the documents occur in natural settings. Okay, helps to gain more information about the characteristics, provide an impression of the situations, do not involve the manipulation of variables, used to develop theories, identify the problems with the current practices, bias can be prevented. See, once again I will tell you, that is a descriptive research design. So descriptive research design, descriptive research design observes, describes and documentations. We should do only describe, and what we are observing, that is we have to write in the documentations. Then occurs in natural settings. So only in the natural settings only we can do the descriptive study, but in that we cannot make it like a manipulation. Okay, we should not do the manipulation. Help to gain more information about the characteristics. Okay, so characteristics previously what they have observed, so along with that you have to observe more information from the samples. Okay, so provide an impression of the situations. So provide the good environment. So if it is good environment, how they are reacting. If it is a bad environment, how they are reacting. So this is what I am giving that example. Okay, so do not involve the manipulation. You should not do that manipulation. Extra for giving a health education, or extra we have to give the teaching and all, we cannot give. Do not involve the manipulation of the variables. Used to develop theories. Okay, we have to make it according to their knowledge. We have to identify the theories, problems and current practices. Okay, so what we have assessed in that, we cannot do the bias. Okay, it should not come the bias. So according to that population, we have to go according to their population knowledge. Okay, we cannot go according to, we cannot do that manipulation and we cannot make it our own. So if it is a bias will come, it is your fault for taking the study. Okay, the types of descriptive research designs are univariant, exploratory and comparative. So univariant means it is a particular, only one characteristics you are taking. So for under 5 mother of children, like in village area, so they are having some beliefs. So they will give like this one, no, like feeding for ragi malt, they will give the feeding. So that is a univariant. The people, those who are the mothers of under 5 children, those who are the mothers, which are all the mothers are giving the ragi malt. Okay, that is we are taking a only univariant, like that is only one complaint, that is one variables we are taking. So exploratory is nothing, that is we are exposing to what they are following. So because of that, what are all the advantages are there. So like that we are taking. And comparative, you know that we are comparing with ragi malt and this one, what else, no, groundnut candy. Okay, so we are comparing with the jackfruit, groundnut candy and ragi malt. So which one is gaining the iron capacity? Okay, so that is we are making them. 1 minute.